This is a Puri Saron Seminyak. Are they open? Yeah, they are open. Puri Saron Seminyak. Is the hotel open?
Yeah.
Yeah? So where you guys going now? Dinner?
For dinner.
Dinner?
There you go.
Where are you guys for dinner?
Oh, dinner up here. Oh, pavilion.
Pavilion. Ah, the sport bar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you like that?
Never been.
Yeah.
Never been. All
We
right.
did many years ago.
Many years ago.
Is it good?
A
What are you
lot of
filming?
a lot of people say good. I'm a YouTuber.
Ah, we were on one the other day.
Brazilian guy.
The
Brazilian man. He was wearing Viking hat.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
All right. Good fun, guys. Enjoy.
You'll have to send us your YouTube and we'll watch ya.
Oh, is that called Uncle Chan Bali?
Who?
Uncle Chan Bali.
Uncle
Chan Bali.
Chan Bali. Remember that guy?
CHN.
Write it down.
Yeah, Uncle Chan Bali. And you can write down if you like that pavilion. That would be a great
Fill my shoes.
we'll show them.
Stu.
Shu, how we go, guys? I met Shu in Bali. And he's going to go to a pavilion for dinner.
Yeah, that's it.
And he will comment it below how is pavilion.
Yes.
Yeah, if
And-
it's good, tell it it's
And
good.
if you subscribe, we'll give you a pair of 3 slippers.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah, big size for me though.
Yeah, I know. Oh no, they're a bit smaller.
All right, guys, enjoy.
See you, champion.
Yeah. Right, everybody, here we go. I'll turn back to back again. Today I'm right in Car Resto. Yeah, B9B is next to me. The Car Resto over here. Let's go check it out. How is Car Resto today? Wow, it looks fresh after the rain. After raining, the beanbags are out. Not so many tourists there, but definitely, guys, if you're coming to Bali, I don't know if you have been to visit this place, or maybe when did you come here last time, then I'm in here today to show how is the current situation in this condition. The clouds, look it out to Kuta beach. So clouds, water is dripping, windy, man. So this is the situation from here right now. Love. Wow, look at this. Low tide though. It's a lot of people on the beach. I mean slow people on the beach. Even those guys there, because of the winds, they close the umbrella, and the beanbags are upside down. Poor condition. And we can see right to the back of that hotel, the clouds is coming. The cloud is coming. Yeah, B9B. Alright, so well, B9B situation right now. Look at this. Very quiet. And because of the rain, I guess they already set up and then rain coming again. So that's why this is how it looks like. The beanbags upside down. This one is the sand. Yeah, the sand. Yeah, instead of outside, people are enjoying inside. That's a good idea. But actually, it's a nice temperature. Little bit wind, just fresh, but just not good for sunshine. That's the Double Six exclusive hotel, the big hotel over there. I guess this is the chapel to the right side here, everybody. It just looks like COVID condition. Yes, please have a look. People are coming, so that's good. Good for those guys. Well, here we are. We are right in front of the Double Six exclusive, and also the sunbeds is it's gone. Beach spot Double Six. Have you guys stayed in that hotel? How good is that hotel, guys? You can let me know. Perhaps one day, maybe one day I will be staying there. Maybe. But this is a big hotel. And you can check it out from the what do you call it? Google Earth. It looks so funny shape. But definitely this is one of the big hotel along here. This is very big. This trees is growing so good, so well. That's just nice. Good to know that. Growing so well. But some of them are dead, like in Legian, a lot of them are dead. Did you see this, guys? The mark of the water, and I guess the tides is coming all the way here. I don't know if you can see it because the the sands are all the way to the footpath, and the mark of the water, it just looks like over the footpath. The joglo. Hai beli di sini.
Woi, datang kamu segera.
Hah?
Berubah kamu operasi plastik nih.
Operasi plastik. Ke Thailand dulu kemarin.
Mana kemarin bagus?
Baik.
Ya, sukses
Ya. Ya.
Sukses.
Mai, kayak penting hidup aja lah. Udah berhenti juga dari pantai.
Pernah kelihatan adiknya?
Di Australia adikku. Ya.
Hebat semua terbang. Matanya ntar dijajah sama ini.
Enggak lah.
Semua tuh terbang. Oh, kamu kemana nih?
Mau jalan-jalan dulu. Beach bed out, and it just looks like gonna be a heavy rain tonight again. There's gonna be a heavy rain tonight. This is the Champlung a little bit chill today. Nice place to hang out and relaxing in the raining. Nice. And that's this La Plancha. Have you checked it out, La Plancha yet?
Yeah.
Been there?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
So can you tell those guys your experience in there?
Sorry?
Can you tell us guys how is La Plancha?
It is good. It is pretty noisy and it's pretty crowded, Like during sunset, it's pretty good. They have good music and good food. You can enjoy
Good food?
that. Yeah.
Is it a bit expensive? Because I've never been there.
A little bit.
A little bit?
Just like an average otherwise. But you can have a good sunset and it's a bit crowded. You'll get good. You can have a good sunset view on this.
Yeah. Oh well, there we go. My friend been there, so that's why I asked him. So brother. Yeah, my friend been there, so that's why I asked him, and then he says it's good. But yeah, it is. It's good when it's sunset coming. This place is one of the best place for sunset, and yeah, you can take it out La Plancha next time. Because the temperature like this, so they don't put the bin bags out. Yeah. Well, so there we go, this area in here, the Bali Juice Park in here, chill. I'm gonna show you that horse, everybody. Did you know that you can ride horse in Bali? I don't know if you know that, but I'm gonna take you today. This is another beach club in here, beach bar. Here we go, that's the horse. Let me show you the horse. If you're wondering where to hire a horse in Bali, then here, come here, Legian Double Six. And normally they pass Legian beach as well. It's something we can do next time, everybody. I don't know, probably those guys is just making videos, pictures maybe of videos. But definitely, yeah, if you like a horse, riding horse on the beach, then you can check it out next time though. Even dog are loved next to the next to the horse. Hopefully they don't bark them and jumping. Well, there we go, everybody. Right, check out this, everybody. This is Garugada today. I've been in here once before with my friends, and it was good. It was good, everybody. This is what they have in here in Garugada. Two for one burger. Look at that. And they do also wine bottles, 30% discount. Get a special price, special bottle promo. And what else do you have in here? Tapas party, choice of 4 tapas. Oh, that's what we had before with Mrs. Auntie Chen. They do have a coffee as well in here. 2 for 1, pizza and pasta. So this is from Garugada. So if you are staying in Anantara, Seminyak, then that place is so close to your hotel. So this is today over here. So here we are, Anantara Resort. If you're staying in Anantara, that's your hotel over there. Yeah, that's this Anantara. Man, I'm gonna walk here and then we're gonna end this video by the Kukun. And it's current situation from here. It's very quiet, not many people over here. Normally a packed people in here, but probably because the rain. Yeah, and has a warung Segara Masari over there, like a local warung. And this one here, the La Plancha. There's the chefs in here. Ooh, smells nice. Crazy. Look at that. Nice seafood barbecue. That's just inside there. That's to the top. This light is really nice. They make it something different than to the others. Yes. This is a Puri Saron Seminyak. Are they open? Yeah, they are open. Puri Saron Seminyak. Is the hotel open? Yeah. Yeah? So where you guys going now? Dinner?
For dinner.
Dinner?
There you go.
Where are you guys for dinner?
For dinner up here. Oh, pavilion.
Pavilion? Ah, the sport bar.
Yes. Yeah.
Do you like that?
Never been.
Yeah.
Never been, alright.
We did many years ago.
Many years ago.
Is it good?
A lot of people say good. I'm a YouTuber.
Ah, we were on one the other day.
Brazilian.
The
Brazilian man. He was wearing Viking hat.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Alright, good fun, guys. Enjoy.
You'll have to send us your YouTube and we'll watch ya.
Oh, is that called Uncle Chan Bali?
Who?
Uncle Chan Bali.
Uncle
Chan Bali.
Chan Bali. Remember that guy?
CHN.
Write it down.
Yeah, Uncle Chan Bali. And you can write down if you like that pavilion. That would be a great
Film my shoes.
What's your name?
Stu.
Shu. Here we go, guys. I met Shu in Bali. And he's going to go to a pavilion for dinner.
Yeah, that's it.
And he will comment it below how is pavilion.
Yes.
Yeah. If
And-
it's good, tell it it's
And
good.
if you subscribe, we'll give you a pair of 3 slippers.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, big size for me though.
Yeah, I know. Oh no, they're a bit small.
All right, guys, enjoy.
See you, champion.
Yeah. All right, there we go, everybody. Look at this. Because of the weather, and then look at that, it's just so empty. Whew. Anyway, everybody, I'm gonna end this video. So this is the current situation from Bali right now. It's not much going on because of the rain. Disappointed. A lot of people will get disappointed because this temperature, the weather. So yeah.